My name is Jessica Berlanga. I'm a group product manager at ConstructConnect. I actually started 16 years ago. I was in technical support, but my goal was to find the right position that could actually help me drive those changes. As a group product manager, I'm responsible to work with different development teams. We work very close to customers as well. We offer them the ability to actually meet with us on a weekly or monthly basis. And the direct feedback that they give us is taken from us to our engineering team so they can be able to enhance the product from there. So it is essential to actually work in a team. At ConstructConnect, I feel like we are actually making a difference because we're taking that feedback from customers and taking it through execution to be able to show the results. So I would say if you really want to spend that time in being able to build something that is really valuable, this is a place for you.